Welcome to Autofaze, I'm T Brand. Today we're checking out the new Project Car. Before we check it out, I'm gonna show you how Weld Wheels absolutely dominated a wheel deadline. We're gonna hang out with KC Elite Auto Care and kick it with Zor. Hey, we got new wheels for the front, 18x9 Weld S71s with a custom plus 28 offset. Weld absolutely dominated this shipment. You know, I was told 4 to 6 weeks. They arrived at my house in 2.5. I am beyond stoked to get these on the car.
Hey, it's Dex with KC Elite Car Care. Today we got Travis here from Autofaze, and we're going to be coating up his Weld wheels. The main coating that we use here at the shop is Nano Pro. With Nano Pro, what we're going to do is we're going to prep the wheels with sterile, and we're going to go over each wheel twice with the wheel coating. Basically, we'll go through, do each wheel once, let it cure, come back over and do it a second time, just to ensure there's even coverage over the entire thing. By doing this, it's going to make cleaning the wheel a lot easier, brake does not stick nearly as much, and overall give it a lot better, glossier finish. So let's go ahead and get after it.
So it's the day after we got the wheels ceramic coated, and surprise, surprise, the Midwest, it's like, what would you say, 35 degrees less than what it was yesterday?
Yeah.
So that, this morning was like 32. So anyway, I always use Zor for my tires. Those guys always hook it up. So today I got Robbie, and he's gonna mount the tires on the Weld S71s. So let's get after it. So normally Zor is going to do the install for us, but this time I wanted to, since the front wells are already ceramic coated and already pristine, I wanted to go ahead and wash, clay, and wax the WS6 before I even installed the wheels, just so the whole car is going to be super minty when you guys see the whole thing. I'm super excited to get these wheels mounted, so let's get after it. Heyo. Yeah. This is the new Autofaze Project car. Don't worry, we still have the Nova. This car is actually for my wife. We searched 6 months in the Midwest for a clean white WS6 and we finally found one. The wait was worth it. So this is a cam-only LS1 setup. It has a BTR Stage 4 cam, lid, full exhaust, LS6 intake, followed by a 3600 stall. It does have a stock rear gear and stock suspension. Well, basically. It has a non-adjustable panhard bar and a strut tower. The plans for this thing is to definitely address the stance. We need to address the brakes. We need to address the rear suspension because that desperately needs lower control arms in the back because that 28 is going to grow on the big end if we throw it on the track. And there's a new track coming next year. We're super excited for it, so let's go ahead and check it out. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm T. Bren. I'll see you on the next one.